to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today, comparing the Hypersmooth boost stabilization on the GoPro Hero 8 Black and Hero 9 Black. The video starts with the unstabilized images from the GoPro Hero 9 for reference. I expect the stabilization on both cameras to be pretty similar. First we see the images from the GoPro Hero 8 Black, 4K, 30 FPS with Hypersmooth boost. Now the images from the GoPro Hero 9 Black, also 4K, 30 FPS, linear field of view with Hypersmooth boost turned on. And now we see the images from both cameras side by side. Is it only my impression, or the stabilization on the GoPro Hero 8 Black is superior? Here I have activated the horizon leveling on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And once again, the images from both cameras placed side by side. Please let me know your opinion on the comment section below.